Hello buddy, today to show you this unboxing review. This is the electric cordless screwdriver. Get start. Alright, so here is a unboxing review. This is a cordless screwdriver. Okay, that's inside. And then there is a inside these parts. And we'll take it using this. Then this is this Type-C cable. So next, here is a user manual. Let's take it using a user manual. Okay, so the first step we need, and what to take it using this, and take this, the Phillips, and then it's all take the screw inside. There you go. Okay, so first step, and then I take it the screw, this outlet. And then the screws into electrical box, and then those screws into outlet, switch and outlet. So next you do is push the wire into box. So next, and then screws tighty, screw, and then screws it tight. So next is do, and then take it screws, into box to one to Phillips head screw. Okay, and tight. Okay, and a tight. Okay, so next the Phillips. So next, tight the set screws into and tight. Okay, and then tight the set screw, and now you take your screws in tight. So next, tight, screws in tight. Okay, so next is do, let's touch your base plate back on. Okay, then tight there. Okay, that's nice and clean. There you go. Okay, so first step, let's charge this to USB. There you go. Okay, then this is charging input. Okay, that's the burst, and long as it's charging, the white light is charging. There you go. Okay, so Lloyd to take it using this rechargeable cordless screwdriver, and see you next time.